Hello Digital Monkey School students. Now that you downloaded the Blender file from my gumroad, link in the video description, let's review how bridgebuilder works. The tool can be divided into three controllable elements: MainCurve, deck, and bridge columns. MainCurve. Select your MainCurve from an outliner. MainCurve is a Bezier curve. Changing it will change the overall length, position, direction, and elevation of the bridge. In Curves Edit mode, you can use the Draw tool, set to draw on surface to redraw the curve guide. Press A to select everything, X, delete vertices, and now you can just freehand new guide. You can adjust the smoothness of your curve by right-clicking and choosing Recalculate Handles, and also right-clicking and choosing Smooth from the context menu. You can manually adjust the handles by rotating them, scaling them, and moving them. Also, you can delete points or vertices, as well as add new points or vertices by subdividing or extruding. Since I have a Bezier curve as my base, I'm now going to apply a new type of Bezier curve, which is a circle. I'm going to scale it, and now we're noticing that this curve is not conforming to terrain. Another technique that we can use is we can give our curve a shrink wrap modifier, choose a terrain as target, then change to project on z-axis negative, and then apply this modifier, and that will conform this curve to a new terrain situation. Deck. Deck is an object with an array and curve modifier applied. You can scale and translate the deck object in the object mode on y-axis to change the length and position of the object. Gy will change the position, Sy will change the length. You can change what it looks like by left mouse button selecting new deck object from an outliner, Control, left mouse selecting, and then pressing Control L, link object data in your 3D viewport. Bridge columns is a geometry node based modifier. This is a node tree that controls it. I will make a full alone video on putting it together from scratch in the near future. Meanwhile, you can look at it and play with it once you have bridgebuilder downloaded. In modifier properties, we have 4 adjustable fields: columns, count, columns z translation, and columns z rotation. Columns is where you pick your source model for bridge base. Your outliner contains a small library of bridge parts, decks, and columns. Count controls the number of bridge supporting pillars. Column Z translation moves pillars up and down. Column Z rotation rotates pillars on Z-axis. We are Digital Monkey School. I hope you learned something new today. Please like us and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next tutorial.